Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Django. Today's lesson is the built-in admin interface of creating users and including members. So those are the two that we're going to focus on today. And obviously you can do more with the built-in admin interface, but there's a lot of things that we can explore in later lessons. So first off, what is the admin? Is a CRUD user interface for all of your data models, right? Remember our members data with the first name, last name, join date, and phone number? That's your model. And you can have a lot of them, and CRUD allows you to have a clean sort of view with all of your models instead of these folders, these files, and a bunch of code. Now, CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete, which is straightforward enough. Creating the data, reading the data, updating the data, and deleting the data. Okay? And this comes ready with Django. You don't need to do any extra work, right? It's built in, and to access it, you just need to run your server with pymanage.py run server. Make sure that you're in the correct directory where the manage.py file is accessible, and go to the following address. And you will see, a display of your model through the admin interface. Now, with creating user, if you go to the correct directory and type in the following command, pymanage.py, it should be the same directory that you need for pymanage.py run server. And pymanage.py creates super user. Now, you can think of this as the administrator login. Okay, because when you go to the admin interface, it prompts a login page, and we don't have any login info yet. And that is what we're going to do. We're going to create some. You can choose a fake email, username, and password for testing purposes. And when you start the server again and go back to the same address, you can fill in the form with the login details that you chose earlier with create super user. Okay, now including member. Now that you're done accessing and you can see all of your models, to make the member model visible in the admin interface, you go to the admin.py file located in the members folder. Okay, we're gonna make the member model visible for our admin, which is currently not. Now in admin.py, from Django contrib input admin, from models import member, models go here, and then admin site register member. As simple as that. Now, all we need to do is go back and check if, our models are up there, right? It should be there. And we can view the properties and whatnot, first name, last name, blah, 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 all that good stuff, okay? So first, let's copy address as text and go to this address in the command prompt, and pymanage.py create super user. Okay. Whoops. I misspelled manage over here. Let's do that again. Username, I'm going to go with Tina Teach. And I'm going to go for Tina Teach at fakemail.com. Okay, you can create fake information, and then next up I'm gonna choose a password, and I can go with Tina Teach 123. Okay, let's type it again, 123. Too similar to the username, bypass password validation, create user anyway, since this is for testing purposes. Yes. So super user is created successfully. Let's run pymanage.py run server. So this is my admin site login. It looks a bit weird, So over here in settings, let's go and open it. And then change debug to true. And let's get rid of this here in allowed hosts. Contrast to save. And when I press the, run again, Django administration, the CSS loads properly now, okay? And we can switch between different themes like this. It's very neat. Okay, so Tina Teach 123, login. All right, now this looks way nicer, isn't it? Recent action, my actions not available. We have authentication and authorization for groups and users, site administration. Welcome Tina Teach, right? View site, change password, lockout. If I click on view site, this is my site right here. There's all of the work that we've done. Now let's go to groups, right? We have 0 groups, users. We have only one user, which is Tina Teach, is the user that we've created by super user status all, okay? Active all, by staff status all as well. Now, where is our model? We don't currently see it. So let's tackle that. Now let's go back out to my first project and go to members. Let's go to admin. And from models import member. Let's go down here. Admin, site, register, member. Okay. Let's go back here and run it again. We have our members model over here. Let's click on it. And we have member object 4, member object 3, member object 2, and member object 1. It's not very friendly, okay? You have to click on it to be able to see the first name, last name, phone, and join date, which you can change, by the way. You can absolutely change the join date. And then let's go back out. This tells us nothing, okay? And it's very confusing. And we're gonna resolve this in the next lesson. So don't forget to tune in. Now that's it for Django admin. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. The next topic is going to be setting the display fields in the admin interface. So see you next time.